What pain are you willing to go through? What level of being uncomfortable is okay with you? Think about something that you could be doing outside of what you're doing right now to create that extra visibility, credibility, and profitability. Credibility and profitability do not happen without visibility. And my job is to help create success for my agents, okay? As a title person, I don't go and just walk around and ask for title orders. It's how can I help you create more visibility, credibility, and profitability for your business. 2010, I met my wife in Las Vegas at 4 a.m. I did. The reason I'm saying that is because I lived in Scottsdale, Arizona. She lived in DC, okay? I moved here in 2012, and I needed to get my business off the ground quickly. And I looked at this, right? Real estate is hard in 2024. Can we all agree with that? That real estate has been challenging, right? And what I mean by that is don't take away opportunities you can create for yourself that allows you to get more visibility to your real estate business. When I moved here, the first thing I did was build a website. Second thing I did was launch a YouTube channel. Did I know what I was doing? No, I didn't. But I knew that I had to create more visibility in the market so more agents and people knew who I was. And I said, I'm just gonna start posting videos on YouTube, see what happens. Well, guess what started to happen? People called. Where you do business. There are people that move here, not all the time, right? Not from this part of the country, but all around the world who are looking for information on YouTube, okay? It's the second most visited website in the world and it's owned by, right. And guess what else it does? It takes your YouTube videos and it ranks them in Google searches. Visibility plus credibility equals profitability, okay? Think of the funnel. You guys all have funnels for your business, okay? You send out mailers, you prospect on the phone, you do client events, or however you're creating that funnel. Imagine if you did all of the things you currently do and you had a wheel that was turning 24 hours a day, creating that funnel for you on the side, okay? That's what I do. I call agents, I prospect, I follow up. But I'm also doing other things that create opportunities for me while I'm doing all the other work. Do I have your attention? Video lives on YouTube forever, right? So you can get eyes to your business indefinitely. You never know who's watching. You need to have the right views from the right people in your market, okay? You can become the celebrity of your audience. Your audience might be 200 people, who cares? You become the celebrity of 200 people, you're gonna have opportunities, that's guaranteed. Do your research on YouTube. Do you have any competition? Probably very little if it's in your market. And I would just say, just get going. Build content around what they're looking for and you can box out your competition. Well, there's another agent, they're the dominant agent. No, not on here, they're not. Yeah, they might send more mailers or whatever. So what? They're not here. You can be here and you can win. We wanna make sure that the right people are in the right room supporting you guys, because what you guys want is low stress, your closings to go well, and more referrals to come your way.